Is it the perfect time to buy or sell TTOO Biosystems stock? Get ready for an in-depth exploration of TTOO Biosystems. Our initial report was released on our website on Wednesday, September 27, 2023. But today, we're taking it a step further and providing you with an even more detailed analysis that you won't find anywhere else. Make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay in the loop on all our latest analysis. The world of investments moves fast, and you don't want to miss any crucial updates that could have a significant impact on your portfolio. Level up your trading decisions with our groundbreaking AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, now available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the immense power of artificial intelligence and gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Don't miss out on this game-changing tool. Keep in mind that this video is purely for informational purposes and should not be taken as financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a professional before making any investment decisions. Hey there! Guess what? Our system recently ranked TTOO Biosystems as a sell candidate on September 19, 2023. And it got a not-so-great score of -1.72. But wait, there's more. Let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Brace yourself. Brace yourself for this shocking news. The stock experienced a massive loss of -46.64%. Can you believe it? That's an average daily loss of -6.66% since it was listed as a sell candidate. Get ready for an exciting prediction. Based on the current 3-month trend, we could see a potential 63.47% change in the next 3 months. But hold on, it gets even better. The possible return could range from 63.47% all the way up to a staggering 555.28%. Now, let's talk about the 12-month trend. Brace yourself for a potential -64.43% change over the next 12 months. But don't worry, there's still hope. The potential return could range from -100% to a surprising 83.58%. Imagine the possibilities. This means the price range could go from $0 all the way up to $0.332 after just 1 year. Breaking news. TTOO Biosystems has been experiencing some intense fluctuations in its stock price. Let's dive into the details. Brace yourself for this roller coaster ride. On Wednesday, the TTOO Biosystems stock price plummeted by a staggering 10.62%, closing at a meager $0.181. And here's the kicker, it's been tumbling for 7 consecutive days. Talk about a downward spiral. Hang on tight because the stock's wild ride is far from over. During the last trading day, it swung a jaw-dropping 28.24% from a low of $0.170 to a high of $0.218. That's some serious volatility. It's like riding a rocket strapped to a roller coaster. But wait, there's more. In the past 10 days, the stock price has fallen a whopping 34.22%. That's a significant drop, my friends. And just when you thought it couldn't get any worse, the volume of shares traded skyrocketed by 14 million on the last day, all while the prices were plummeting. Is this a red flag? It might indicate increased risk in the coming days. Buckle up. Let's zoom out for a moment and take a look at the bigger picture. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a high of $2.93 and a low of $0.0512. Currently, it's a staggering 93.82% below its 52-week high. And brace yourself for this mind-blowing fact, it's a whopping 98.4% below its all-time high back on April 8, 2016, when it reached $11.30. That's like reaching for the stars and barely touching the clouds. Welcome to our analysis of TTOO Biosystems stock. Let's dive into what the experts have to say. After careful evaluation, analysts have given TTOO Biosystems stock a neutral rating, indicating a balanced outlook. They consider the PE ratio and price to book to be in a neutral zone, suggesting stability in these areas. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a different opinion. They give the stock a strong sell rating, cautioning investors to exercise caution. Keep in mind that these ratings are based on expert analysis and should be considered alongside your own research and risk tolerance. Hey there, let's dive into the exciting world of T2 Biosystems and explore the signals that have been identified. Brace yourself, because we've got some interesting insights to share. The 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is giving a strong buy signal. However, there are also some not-so-great signals that might impact the short-term growth. Both the short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, painting a more negative picture for the stock. On top of that, the long-term average is currently higher than the short-term average, indicating a general sell signal. But don't lose hope just yet, as there's potential for buy signals if the stock manages to break above the resistance levels at $0.255 and $0.351. Let's take a look at the recent performance. On Tuesday, August 15, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, leading to a significant decline of -69.40%. It seems like there might be further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Interestingly, volume rose on falling prices, acting as an early warning sign. It's definitely a stock worth keeping a close eye on. Are you curious about other intriguing signals? Let's explore them together. Brace yourself for the moving average convergence divergence signal indicating a potential buying opportunity. Take note of the pivot signal, which hinted at a selling point 31 days ago. Delve into the Bollinger signal, enlightening us about a buy situation 406 days ago. Stay alert as the short-term moving average flashed a sell signal 7 days ago. Keep an eye on the long-term moving average, as it presented a buy signal 9 days ago. Be aware of the relationship between the short and long moving averages, as it signaled a buying opportunity 14 days ago. Now, if we shift our focus to the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average signaled a sell position 3 days ago. Pay attention to the relationship between the short and long moving averages, which showed a buy opportunity 31 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us to explore more fascinating signals. Brace yourself for an in-depth analysis of T2 Biosystems support, risk, and stop loss. Let's start by exploring the downside. Currently, the stock enjoys support just below today's level at $0.158 and $0.150, thanks to accumulated volume. However, it's important to note the inherent risk when a stock tests a support level. If it breaks, the stock may drop to the next support level. For T2 Biosystems, the next support awaits at $0.158, followed by $0.150 and $0.148. As for volatility, hold on tight. This stock is known for its wild swings throughout the day, making it a very high-risk option. In fact, the Bollinger Band predicts a wide range of movement for this stock. In the last day alone, it swung $0.0480, which is a staggering 28.24% difference between the high and low. Looking back at the past week, the stock has seen an average daily volatility of 18.38%. Welcome back. Today, we're going to explore some exciting trading levels for T2 Biosystems. But before we jump into that, let's get a solid understanding of the fundamental data. Picture this, the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. It's like a compass guiding us through the trading world. This vital ratio measures how a company's current share price stacks up against its per-share earnings. It's a glimpse into the company's financial health. Now, here's the kicker. A negative P/E ratio means the company is either bleeding money or facing tough times. It's like a red flag waving in the wind. Established companies can have their fair share of down periods, but when negative P/E ratios persist, it might just be a sign of insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Meanwhile, mark your calendars for the upcoming earnings report in Q3 2023, set to unveil on Nov08/2023. Now, pay close attention to the analysts' consensus estimates, which stand at $0.0400. Why is this important? Well, these numbers have the power to move mountains in the stock market. So, keep your eyes peeled. Welcome, traders. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of day trading with T2 Biosystems. Let's start by exploring some potential trading levels that could help you make informed decisions. When it comes to an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $0.202. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding T2 Biosystems, this could be a great opportunity for swing trading. On the flip side, T2 Biosystems faces its first support level at $0.158. Pay attention to this level as it could serve as a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Attention, investors! Brace yourself for some concerning news. Our analysis reveals a highly unfavorable assessment of this particular stock, and what's more, no stop-loss measures have been implemented. Are you considering investing in T2 Biosystems stock? Well, let's take a closer look at the current situation. Despite some positive trends, there are several negative signals surrounding T2 Biosystems. Our analysis suggests that the stock may perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. However, there is an interesting twist here. Our systems detect that the current price is actually undervalued. So, what can we expect for trading on Thursday, September 28th? T2 Biosystems is projected to open up at $0.0087 and start trading at $0.190. Are you ready to dive into the world of trading? Before you take the plunge, remember that trading comes with risks. It's crucial to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Let us guide you through the process, but please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using our information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions and any potential outcomes. Hey there, fellow traders. Get ready to dive into our latest stock analysis. We want to hear your thoughts on this, so don't forget to comment below and share your insights. What's your target for this stock? We're excited to find out. And hey, if you enjoy our content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We're here to support your trading journey, so let's make it a successful one. Wishing you an incredible day from the entire team at StockInvest.